Good morning, boys and girls. It is I, your good friend North Sentinel Island, and once again, I feel like I might finish this project if I literally just, you know, not stream myself, but audio record myself do it all. And if I do that, maybe I'll be more motivated to finish it. So, right now, we're on this, which looks good. So I'm going to go to here. And let's just look up something that gives jail time. I forgot where the hell we were. This seems like it's working. And let's search this, see if this is working. It seems like it's working. Oh yeah, last time I was just upset because the CSS was off. I'm going to bring this. Judge list Middlesex. Which one of this is components? Judge list. County judge list. County judge list. It'd be nice if React would allow you to name the index tab. That might help. This was called County Judge List. But once again, that would just fuck everything up, I think. Once something is done, it's done. It cannot be made undone. So let's just figure this out. It seems like it's working. Obviously, I'm still waking up. This is a CSS. I don't know why the hell it's not working. And do we even have any CSS code for this crap yet? And if we don't, we might as well just add it to a to-do list, but okay, so if we go there, there's errors. So let's just bring it back to life. And 100. Cruelty tip. Oh yeah, I must be interested in IPS, but that doesn't work apparently. So let's just go back here. 100. Should be the same crap. Yeah, the cruelty to animals. So let's just figure out what we could do to make these things a little bit smaller. Crime list card. Crime list. Well, it's kind of what we want, right? County judge list nav link. Well, the nav link might be good. It's the entire div. What the hell is this? County judge list CSS. And this. See what the hell we got. Yeah, that's good. Width, 20 visual width. This looks good. I like this. This is fine. Just ignore that. I think we just need to bring this up to this one. This is the issue. It doesn't matter if it's this. Let's just bring this up here because that's what I was playing with it. still looks it. Yeah. Why the hell was I thinking that? That was stupid. So this is this. We're just going to just do a display flex then. And give you a new name. Master div. Let's call you main div. Feel like being. It's not really PC, but kind of makes sense. Okay, so display flex, extraction, column, width, 50 visual width. And if that was the whole reason why this wasn't working, I'll be crazy. Oh. Okay, there we go. I think that's why I was fucking it up. It had nothing to do with scope. And that CSS crap. So once again, you need, drum roll please, to not have that stupid space. This whole problem was because of the frickin' space. And there's no real point in this anymore. Should have known that. Once again, I just don't like the. This just looks weird. But this looks okay. And that's just because these buttons are actually inside of this, and I don't want that. So I want to change you. Cut you. And just have this one in. So at least this way, the buttons see where they are. I mean, I'm not finalizing everything at this point. I'm just trying to. I think that's still, even then, it's a little out there. 50, 30. It's a little bit better. I mean, you could theoretically click it here, but. So these things will get cut off. I'm just going to push them a little bit farther too, I think. Good. But you see some sort of styling. I mean, I'm just thinking these. Where are these next ones? Do these other ones have anything in it? I mean, we just need to make like some sort of styling for the button. That's something like because I think it was like another one that had like these bluish colored buttons. Judge comparison, I think. One of these things had. Basically, that's what happens when you ask chat to write. I just had them basically just copy it. I just showed them a button that I liked and asked them to copy it because. And they did that. County button. I think this is it. And we're just gonna make it smaller. George was CSS. Candy George was. I mean, this is it, right? I swear it's. I don't think this is it. I hate make these things confused. Yeah, it had a little card. Crimeless card. It has nothing now because I took it out. Good. Crime. Yeah. Just more crap than I thought. Column. I think usually I like white smoke for those things over there. I think it's called that. Whatever. Click. Back to what I was thinking. Let's just make these in the own little div. Good. Have that stuff I copied from there. Class name. Oh, first of all. Josh list. Put in div. Flex direction, column. You have two buttons for some reason. Nope, not column, you idiot. Row. No, it's doing something wrong. Let's see what we got. Yeah, they're nice and that. Space between. Also to return padding and margin again. Padding versus margin, CSS. Yes, I know that. Space around an element, perfect. Margin. We want margin. Not this padding crap. Margin. And obviously we have to do that, because it won't otherwise work. Yeah, let's click that way. Left. Let's see if this works. And they're there. sure they work. Yeah, the div. Well, we're dealing with the div. Should know that. Yeah. Apparently that's not working. There's enough dealing with. Yeah, we should be dealing with everything in this little container here. Yeah, we are. We're really getting that aspect of it done. Space between. Whatever the hell it's called. Space between. Looking for what the hell that term is. Space between justify content. And that's all the way over there. Row with visual width. And visual width. Actually, let's just get rid of this altogether. We'll just have the buttons next to each other. Made the div smaller, which is fine. And I don't know this good color for the buttons. Oh yeah, we can't do that with this. We need to do the div, now we have to do the buttons. Class name equals bank. And then go down here. They look ugly as hell. I just don't see a blue theme being really that good. Kind of look good for that other page. Should have check, do some styling. Okay. Let's see if this is any good. Padding connect. Yeah, I think it just kept the same size, but we'll just see if this is... That looks like shit. It basically just did what I just told it to do. That was a crap. Yeah, it's slightly darker, but I don't know. I don't like this thing at all. At least you can read it now. I mean, chat's good, it just sucks. Sometimes it just sucks when it comes to shit like this. It's a little bit better. It's a good grade output, but it's okay. So we got this padding, margin. It's kinda... I like them a little bit more roundish. 15 is going to be fine. With that's way too small, 250. Height 25px. See if there's just anything different. I think I just made it worse. These buttons are all grayed out now. Now they still look like crap. Probably just because the div is screwed up. And we can make it as wide as we want, really. These divs can't be this big. Okay, those look like crap. And 60. I mean, this looks okay for the time being. And at the same time, maybe we just need to go out of this blue crap and back to those brownish ones we had in the previous ones. This is what happens when you have absolutely no design sense. And blues. And where are my purple ones? Yeah, you don't even have any freaking purple ones. Where are my purple buttons? I thought we had purple buttons. buttons. There are right in the purple buttons. Where I had purple buttons somewhere. Did these purple buttons go away? Then we have purple buttons. Oh, bloody hell. All I know is that these things are way too light as well. There we go. I mean, I'm going to keep them for the time being just because we need to move on, but I mean, they do their job, they work, they just look ugly as shit. And I might just, I don't like all this extra scrolling too, so we might as well just, while we're at this next 10. No, just keep it at 15 and just make them smaller. Happens when just crank this down to H4. That's a good start. It's just as much scrolling. It's just smaller. Kind of George Nav link. I'm gonna just keep it H2 and just change this to 10, I think. I mean, people want links like this size. And at the same time, it just doesn't make any sense to. We need, this entire thing just needs to be changed. Either that or just row it over here. This is why it sucks to do this. Okay, so they're smaller. Definitely you're scrolling less, which is good. Width 50 visual width. Just let it scroll. So this is a little bit better. And if we just delete it to 15, then I could sleep at least temporarily with this at 15. 10. And you might as well just name all the variables over, you know. Isn't this fun? 151, 153. Missed a couple. And yes, I like to it's just best to name everything, because otherwise, well, you're screwed. There we go. Split some ones up. A little bit easier. No scrolling. I'm just regular theft. Good. Alright, so for the time being, these things do look atrocious. And I just need to move on instead of playing Fashionista, which I am the first to admit I suck at. I don't even know if Legal Blue is an actual fucking thing. And regardless, at this point, it's not Legal Blue. Alright, 40px and 70. Keep making them bigger or smaller. Font size 1 rem. Alright, so we could just compare this. 15px. Here it's 70 and 40. So it's height 50. There. And you could go to 80. And everything's going to be combobulated, because now I'll just change you to 12. There. You're in the middle of the thing now. And or I'll make it just 90 and change you to 45, and we could waste more money just playing with frickin' CSS crap. Alright. And then I forgot how to the way to make sure it just stays horizontal. No rap. Knew what that was. You see, this is how it makes life a lot easier. Because, well, makes my life a little bit easier. And I have a button. Period. Period's bad. And finally do this one more time. Previous 10, this looks like crap now. So we have to make it wider. This one looks good. That one looks okay. Still definitely a work in progress, and we could always make this font smaller, then people can complain it's too small. No one really ever wins. always capitalize this. I just admit we just wasted too much fucking time on this. Push what we have because it works now. Alright. Declare you clear for the time being. County judge list. Clark. County judge comparison. Slash crime. Okay, county judge comparison. Let's see what this is. County judge comparison. Blank. And this. Cannot read properties and null, rating 0. 404 is an undefined. Of course it's an undefined. Use params, crime use params. Well, we got a capital there, so that's a step in the right direction. We got a 2389. As county crimes where countycrime.id equals undefined. That's okay, so this is the old one. So now all we have an issue is that ID is undefined. Middlesex apparently works fine. And let's see what the hell we're doing. County search. Judge for crime undefined. Crime ID. This is called crime ID. Log. I am here. Crime ID. Okay, let's try this again. If you're undefined. I guess they had to be named shit. Okay, so that's that. Chrome ID, Chrome ID. Let's try this again. 1934-38. Hello. It miraculously works. But as you can see here, undefined. But we got that one to populate, which is always a great thing. So county, county. County. We had it working a second ago, that's for sure. We just change it all. Let's change you to county. Change you to county. We're just going to make all these counties the same. We're reverting back to the old counties. 1934 and 38. County, county. County. Nope. County. There we go. Okay, so everything. Alright, so at least we got a 304, which is good. This is a county. Let's see what we got for the app. This is now a lowercase county. Okay, good. So now we got to work Middlesex judges for crimes 2389. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Let's just see how many actual. We just have a bunch of nothing. Fetch judges for county crime. Okay. These are just judges. This is. I don't know what else it's sending. Three now. Okay, good. So the control's working. County crime found by PK crime ID. Okay, good. Attributes judge. Okay, judge crimes, good attribute judge. Unique drugs array from new set, judge crimes.nap. OPay county abbreviation judge. Yeah, I just probably had that code generated, but it works. It just takes. We get a list of everything from judge, who sentenced people for that crime, then we're the county abbreviation and judges in this. So that and that. So we have this correctly. Kind of. So we have, yeah, I mean, just that and the county, because that's all we have. So what the hell is this going to do? Because we need all this information. But we don't really have that much data. So what we need to do is just get all the judge crime attributes and shove them in it. I'll have to just go with the judge crime attributes. I think this is a unpopulated way that I'm actually doing this. Yeah, because there were only 5 of them. Well, we're going to leave this to the next lesson. We wasted way too much time today on that CSS. This is North Sentinel Island, signing out.